Generative AI has completely transformed how I experience gardening. It's more than just a tool, it's like a creative partner that helps me bring my gardening ideas to life, from visualizing new layouts to exploring color combinations and learning sustainable growing tips. AI makes the process faster, easier, smarter, and more inspiring. I can experiment with designs, identify plants, and even simulate how my garden will look in different seasons, all with a few prompts. What I love most is how it blends creativity with nature. AI doesn't replace the joy of getting my hands on the soil. No, it does not at all. It amplifies it. It helps me. It's helped me grow not just plants, but new ideas, gardening, and all that. It's worth it.